Hey, it's Chance with Premier Trailer Leasing. Today we're talking about reefers. Let's get into it. Whether you're hauling frozen goods, fresh produce, or pharmaceuticals, setting the right temperature is essential for cargo integrity and compliance. Before setting the temperature, it's important to understand the two reefer operating modes, continuous mode and cycle century mode. In continuous mode, the unit runs consistently to maintain a set point and constant airflow for produce loads, pharmaceuticals, and other temperature-sensitive cargo, where tight temperature controls must be maintained. In cycle century mode, the unit turns on and off automatically to maintain a set point, but will turn off for a minimal temperature difference or set time to capture fuel savings, making it a great option for common frozen loads like meat and poultry. Now let's go through the step-by-step process of setting your reefer temperature. To start the reefer unit, press the on button. The Thermo King logo will briefly appear, followed by the startup screen. Wait for the standard display, also known as temperature watch, to load. Next, set the temperature. Press any button to return to the standard display, then press the set point button. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust to the required temperature, then press yes to confirm. The standard display will show the updated setting. Now select the operating mode. Press the cycle century/continuous button. The screen will display either programming continuous mode or programming cycle century mode. After a few seconds, the system will confirm the selected mode. Finally, monitor and maintain the temperature. Regularly check the standard display to ensure the correct temperature is being maintained. You can also monitor the reefer temperature via the Thermo King app or website for easier access. Keep the doors closed as much as possible to prevent warmer ambient air from entering when the dock is not refrigerated and does not match the desired set point. Check and see if the unit is set to the correct mode, and check that there are no active alarms on the display. You can also check if you have enough fuel, and with these steps, your reefer unit will be properly set and ready to keep your cargo at the right temperature. Let's go over some additional functions that help keep your unit running efficiently. Regular maintenance and system checks can prevent downtime and ensure your reefer operates at peak performance. The benefits of the pre-trip is to ensure the unit is properly operating prior to loading product into the trailer. Before starting, clear any existing alarms and close the rear doors. Note that if a trailer has been washed out, the extremely high humidity inside the trailer may result in false test results. Once the pre-trip is complete, the results will display as pass, check, or fail. If you receive a check or fail result, refer to the alarm codes to diagnose the issue. Here are some simple but important tips to keep you moving. The first one is simple but often overlooked. Avoid running reefer units out of fuel. Make sure you maintain sufficient battery voltage. Check whether continuous mode or cycle century mode is required for your load. Never ignore alarms. If an alarm appears, always check the menu for more details and report the problem. Always pre-cool the unit to the desired set point before loading to ensure proper temperature stability. Limit door openings. Keeping doors closed as much as possible helps maintain a constant temperature. And that's it. Following these best practices should keep your reefers running smoothly. And when in doubt, give us a call. We're always here to help.